welcome you all. I am Dr. Shekhar. Today I am going to deal with zoology. The topic is blood circulation in chordates or vertebrates. First let us see about the general features. General features of blood circulation. All chordates have closed type of circulation. First concept. That means blood does not enter the coelom. The coelom is called enterocoelom. In all chordates, the coelom is called as enterocoelom. Blood does not enter the coelom. Blood enters only in heart and blood vessels. Blood enters only heart and blood vessels. No entry of blood into enterocoelom in all chordates. Second concept is heart is ventral. Ventral side of the body, heart is present. Third, heart is chambered. Heart consists of chambers in all chordates or vertebrates. Heart is muscular, made up of muscles, and the control is called as myogenic. Heart is myogenic, but in invertebrates or non-chordates, heart is neurogenic. Heart pumps the blood, pumps out the blood. Heart pumps out the blood. Right. Main classes of chordate. Chordata. Main classes. Phylum is chordata. Classes are physas, amphibia, reptilia, apes, and mammalia. These are the classes: physas, amphibia, reptilia, then right side apes and left side mammalia. Amphibia are formed from physas. Reptilia are formed from amphibia, but reptilia in right side formed apes, means birds, and left side advanced mammals. These are the classes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 classes in Chordata phylum. These are all classes. This can be called as superclass. These are the main topics you must know. What are the classes found in phylum Chordata? I have taken 3 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia. Pisces means includes fishes. Amphibia means includes frogs and toads. Reptilia means tortoise or turtle, lizard, snake. Tortoise, turtle, lizard, snakes. I have not written the crocodile. Why? Because I am going to say about the crocodiles along with 4th and 5th classes. That means apes and bird, mammal. Crocodiles are excluded in these concepts. Chamber of the heart. 2 chamber, 3 chamber, 3.5 chamber, 2 chamber, 3 chamber, 3.5 chamber. Okay, 2 chamber means what are they? Atrium and ventricle. Atrium and ventricle. Here at right atria, left atria, atrium, right atrium and left atrium, and only one ventricle. So 3 chamber, right atrium, left atrium, 1 ventricle. So 3 chamber. Here only 2 chamber, atrium and ventricle. If you come to third one, reptilia, right atrium, left atrium, and incompletely divided ventricle. Here only 1 ventricle. Here also 1 ventricle, but it is divided into incompletely divided, not completely divided. As it is incompletely divided, as the ventricle is incompletely divided, the number of heart chamber 3.5. 3.5, not 4. Why half we use? Because ventricle is incompletely divided. Here ventricle is not divided. Here only 2 chamber. Right. Blood. Here only venous blood. Here arterial blood, venous blood, mixed blood, more mixed blood. Arterial blood, venous blood, more mixed blood. 3 kinds of blood. Here we find 1 kind of blood, venous blood. Venous means deoxygenated. Arterial means pure blood. Venous means impure blood. And mixed blood means both pure and impure. 3 kinds of blood in amphibians. Arterial blood, pure blood. Venous blood, impure blood. Mixed blood, pure and impure. 3 kinds of blood. So starting deoxygenated blood. Next oxygenated, deoxygenated. Oxygenated means pure. Deoxygenated means impure. Mixed means both. But here only less mixed blood. Arterial, venous, both are present. Blood, arterial blood, venous blood, two are present. Mixed blood is more in case of amphibia. More. Here less, because ventricle is incompletely divided, so that mixed blood is less. Here ventricle is not divided, so that mixed blood is more. That is the difference between these two. Right. Fourth class is aves, otherwise birds. Fifth class is mammalia. In the fourth class, extra I am adding crocodiles. That is reptilia. Previously I told you crocodile I excluded in third class. Now I include crocodile with fourth class. Here heart chamber is fourth chamber. Here also fourth chamber. Crocodile fourth chamber. All birds fourth chamber. Mammalia fourth chamber. So that I have taken crocodiles of reptilia from third class. I have added reptilia consisting of crocodiles in fourth class, because heart chamber is 4. Heart chambers are 4. That's why. Right. Remember classes 1, 2, 3, 4. Pisces, amphibia, reptiles, aves, mammalia, 5. Remember the classes. Hemoglobin, respiratory treatment for all. Respiratory treatment for all. Where is hemoglobin present? In RBC. In all. RBC, yes, red blood cells are nucleated in 1, 2, 3, 4 classes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And fifth one, enucleated. That means no nucleus. In mammals, fifth one, enucleated means no nucleus. RBCs have no nucleus in fifth class. But having, except in camel and elephant. Among mammals, RBCs are having no nucleus, but camel and elephant have nucleated RBC. RBC has nucleus. Okay. This is heart of frog, and it is 3 chambered: right atrium, left atrium, ventricle. 3 chambered. Right atrium consists of pure blood. Impure blood. Right atrium consists of impure blood. Left atrium consists of pure blood. Impure blood. This is right side of the ventricle, not right ventricle. Right side of ventricle, not right ventricle. This is left side of ventricle. is not left ventricle, left side of ventricle. This area consists of mixed blood. This is middle side of ventricle. Right ventricle has only impure blood. Left ventricle has only pure blood. But ventricle has impure blood right side, mixed blood middle side, pure blood left side. Three kinds of blood we notice in ventricle because ventricle is undivided. This heart is auto-excitable. That means very quickly functions. Why it is quickly functioning? Because to avoid more mixed blood. If slowly it functions, mixed blood will be formed more. In order to control the quantity of mixed blood, heart is auto-excitable. Even if you dissect the body of frog, after opening the skin and muscles, also heart is functioning. With the help of needle, you can touch the heart. Heart will be functioning. Right. And main blood vessel is truncus arteriosus. Truncus arteriosus, which opens into ventricle. Each side. Outside the heart, it is divided into right and left branches. Right truncus arteriosus, left truncus arteriosus. And there are three openings in truncus arteriosus. One is called carotid arch. The second is called systemic arch. And third is called pulmocutaneous arch. Three arcs. So, pure blood, mixed blood, impure blood, mixed blood, and pure blood. Three enter through three holes. Same three holes will send out the blood. Right. In this, pure blood, mixed blood, impure blood, three kinds of blood. Pure blood through carotid arch, mixed blood through the systemic arch, impure blood through the pulmocutaneous arch. Pure blood is supplied for only head. Systemic blood is supplied for body. Total body of the frog gets mixed blood. And impure blood is sent to lungs, skin, buccal cavity. Because these are the respiratory organs in frog. Here, impure blood is converted into pure blood. Here, impure blood is converted into pure blood because lungs, skin, buccal cavity are the respiratory organs. Respiratory organs convert the impure blood into pure blood because oxygenated blood is oxygenated in lungs, skin, and buccal cavity. Once blood gets oxygenated, then it is called pure blood. Frog respires by lungs, about 65%. This is about 25%. This is about 10%. 65% by lungs, pulmonary respiration. 25% by water, from water. So cutaneous respiration, because skin is used as a respiratory organ. Cutaneous respiration, 25% it accounts. And 10% buccal cavity. Respiration is carried about 10% by buccal cavity. So 65, 25 and 10, 100. But common type is pulmonary. Why? Because 65% of respiration is pulmonary. 25% are cutaneous, skin. When frog is in water, skin only is used as a respiratory organ. When frog is on land, lungs are used as a respiratory organ. During inactive period or dormancy period, that is called hibernation and estivation. Hibernation means winter rest during cold season. Estivation means summer rest. During this period, muscopharyngeal respiration is noticed. During dormancy period, inactive period, excess extreme cold, hibernation, extreme temperature, estivation, that time mainly buccopharyngeal cavity is used for respiration.